Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek. Today I'm at the Autogeek Show Car Garage in Palm City, Florida, and we're here to talk about the BLACKFIRE Waterless Wash Concentrate. This 16-ounce bottle is enough to make up to 6 gallons of a waterless wash. The benefits of a waterless wash is obviously time and efficiency, and you're not using any water. So what you do with this product, the best way is to use 1 ounce versus 48 ounces of water, so a 1 to 48 dilution ratio. And pretty simple here with this bottle, you can just squeeze, it's already measured out exactly to 1 ounce. You can squeeze the bottle to 1 ounce. And then you would just pour right into your spray bottle and mix with water. Once it's mixed up well and put into your spray bottle, you would spray 1 panel at a time, working out of the sunlight and on a cool surface. Spray a good amount on there. It's high lubricity, keeps it from scratching and marring the surface. You can use this on any protected surfaces, whether it's coated or if you have a wax on it. This is a great, easy way to wash your vehicle. You spray onto a panel and wipe off with a high quality microfiber towel. And just be mindful that when you do wipe, when you're picking up any dirt and debris, that you're flipping the towel and using all sides and using a new clean side, and switch out to a clean towel when needed. It dries completely clear, so there's no worries of streaking or any residue that's left behind. This BLACKFIRE waterless wash is a great alternative to the traditional wash method where you would have water and buckets. Again, it's as easy as spraying on, wiping off, and letting it dry. If you have questions about this product and more, you can visit autogeek.com.